Dr. Owl, I am a brush hero.
Be careful, I am doing a research.
If I scrape my knee, it heals. But why can't my tooth fix itself?
Ah, a brilliant question, my feathered fledgling. Most body parts have living cells that rebuild themselves. But teeth? Not so much. No repair crew inside. Enamel has no living cells to fix cracks or cavities. See these sugar monsters? They cause decay and your tooth can't fight back alone.
Really? Whoa, so enamel's like armor.
Exactly. Brushing, flossing, and checkups are their superpowers.
Haha.
Unlike sharks, we only get baby teeth and grown-up teeth.
Really?
Protect them.
So we gotta be the tooth heroes. Yeah, brush twice a day, keep those chompers strong.